I'm Shae Russell from mining.com.au, and I'm coming to you once again from the RIU Investment Showcase held here on the Gold Coast. Standing next to me is Matt Boys, the Managing Director of Pacgold. Matt, it's great to see you in the flesh. How are you?
Good, thank you for having me on again.
Now, let's tuck into what's happening at Alice River up in Queensland. You've got a lot of drilling happening. Can you sort of give me a summary of what you're doing at the moment?
Yeah, great. I mean, this is the first year that Pacgold is actually drilling from April through to December for the last 2 years. It's been a really good start of the year. We've just announced the first 20 drill holes of that RC program that we've done. We've got the RC program's ongoing, about 50% complete now, with new information obviously coming out as results are available. We're going to be covering a whole bunch of new ground this year. So the objective this year is to cover at least the first 12 kilometres of that strike outside of the central area, which hasn't been done before. It's following up on drilling that we did last year basically in November and December last year. We did a massive aircore program. We've got all these really high priority targets that we want to get done off. So that's what we're doing at the moment.
All right, just stepping back here, we've got this pretty cool map. So basically there's going to be a lot of holes going in here.
There will be, yeah. Mostly with the RC rig, we're basically going to be concentrating on targets that haven't previously drilled, like the northern target, the Shadows, and then down to the southern target, Jerry Dodds Southeast, and Victoria. And that should basically give us the capacity then to demonstrate to the market that we've got something that's a lot bigger than the 1 million ounces we've already got drilled off. We've got something that's got potential to then demonstrate 2 to 5 million ounces. And this is only just the start, because we're actually extending to the south of this with an aircore program for another 7 to 8 kilometres, all the way down to our White Line project.
Obviously, a very important question to touch on here is funding. You're cashed up, ready for this? Because this is a lot of work coming up.
It is a lot of work. We've also got a diamond rig and an aircore rig coming in. We're just finishing off a big regional IP program and an IP program over the top of White Line. Yes, we are funded. We've just completed, or halfway through, a $5.6 million raise. So by the second week in July, we'll probably have $6.5 million in funds available for us to then basically do all the work we've got outlined for the rest of the year.
Awesome. I love a cashed up explorer looking to spend money. But what can investors expect to hear in the coming weeks?
Well, obviously, there's going to be the results of the first IP program, which I'm really looking forward to, especially the stuff we've done over White Line. Post that geophysics, then we've got constant news flow from the RC, Diamond, and the aircore programs throughout the rest of the year. So it's going to be a busy year.
You're going to have a busy year, which means there's going to be a lot of news coming through, and I hope you hit that multi-million ounce number. Thanks for being here, Matt.
Thank you very much, Shae.